On the menu today is Egusi soup. We call it Desi in Togo. Though what we normally use, the leaves are a little bit sour. You can replace it with spinach, and this is what I'm doing today. So we're going to need some spinach, Egusi. I bought it in the African store here. I will be using some grilled chicken leftover, and I will be adding as well some smoked mackerel. So you need to blend your ginger, garlic, onion, some fresh tomatoes, and I will be adding prawns. You guys know that I love prawns. So into my cooking pot here, I already pour the palm oil. I'm going to heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes and add the tomato puree, roughly about 2 tablespoons, and then I'll let it cook for 5 minutes and add the blended ingredients. If you're new here, I'm Kai, and I love sharing quick, easy, and very yummy recipes on this channel. I'm cooking this on a low-medium heat. Keep stirring and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going in with the blended ingredients. After adding the blended ingredients, I will be going in with about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I will let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes roughly, because you want your tomato to cook properly before adding the egusi. And sometimes I just add it straight in like this, and then let it cook as well together with the blended ingredients. And this is one way to make your egusi soup. There is another way as well, where you add different ingredients and spices to the egusi itself, and a little bit of water blends everything nicely before adding it to all your fresh ingredients that are already cooking. So I will be leaving this for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes now I'm going in with the prawns. I'm going in now with a little bit of water to allow the egusi to cook very well before adding the rest of the ingredients. Stir well and cover it up. Let it cook for another 7 minutes, and you can go in at this point with your spinach. And that's what I'm about to do now. I'm trying to add it gradually so the spinach doesn't drop. So just do that if you're using a pot like this. But if you're using a bigger pot, just throw everything in one go. I just added the last batch and blending everything well. If you're new here and you don't want to miss out on my recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you can be notified when I upload another recipe. And keep watching. To my old subscribers, thanks so much for always coming back and checking my content. I do really appreciate all of you. And of course, you know that I love reading your comments, so keep them coming. I'm going in now with the leftover chicken and the mackerel. With this soup, I will be pairing it with cornstarch. Feel free to use semolina. You can have it with rice, you can have it with pounded yam, or you can have it with banku. You're going to enjoy it. So to make the cornstarch is straightforward. You just add it to water, and once it's boiling, you just mix it well. You can see very well that our soup is pretty much done. I love it exactly like this, not overcooked, so it's just perfect at this point. Last thing to add here is just the onions, and that will be it. Our spinach soup will be ready to be served. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair this yummy soup with. I'm definitely sure this soup is calling your name, so why not give it a try and let me know what you think. For this recipe, feel free to use any meat of your choice. As long as you follow the different steps, the soup will be banging. I'm going to cover it up and leave it for a few minutes. Et voila, this is our egusi soup or stew ready. Very, very inviting, I must say. And I will be serving the food now. If you're still here with me, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, this is the time I always invite you guys to join me, so feel free to grab a fork or just wash your hands and join me right here. In Togo, we say "Midunulo," meaning you are invited to join me. So don't waste time. Come, let's enjoy this delicious food. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section what would you be pairing your egusi soup with. I would love to know. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.